we have brought you a new fortnightly program related to major content. As well as there will be CSS one-liner from the fortnight that will help you to prepare effectively for your MCQs. This venture is to bring forth views on news twice a month so that you can always feel connected to the arena of the world, never skip a beat. So stay tuned to our channel and don't miss any program, as we are looking forward to your feedback regarding our project. Thank you so much.